Hi everyone, I'm Ryan at Marine Parts Source, and today we're going to be taking a look at this all-in-one fuel tank combo kit from Moeller. Now this is a fairly new product. It was released in 2020, and the great thing about it is that it comes with all the different fittings you're going to need. No matter what your outboard engine is, you can still use this kit for your application. So let's open it up and see what comes in the kit. And I will just start by pointing out some of the features of the tank itself. Now this is a 6-gallon tank. There is a kit that comes with a 3-gallon version. Both of those tanks are going to be low permeation certified. Back in 2011, the EPA passed new regulations requiring certain standards for permeation from fuel tanks, and all of the Moeller tanks are going to meet those regulations. Each tank comes with a 2-year warranty as well. And you can see that there is this fuel withdrawal right here, and it rotates 360 degrees, which is going to eliminate possibility of any kinks in your fuel line. There's also this really easy to grip fuel cap. It's self-vented, so it's going to, again, meet those permeation requirements. There's also this direct sight gauge, which you can easily tell whether or not the tank is full or empty. All right, next we'll look at some of the components that are included. And first of all, we're just going to take a look at the fuel line. It's already assembled with the primer bulb, which is a good sturdy quality rubber, and also already has the tank fitting connected to it. So it's all ready to install. There's also a tank quick connect fitting that you can use to quickly connect on and off to your tank. You don't have to do a lot of threading or unscrewing. There's also a clamp so that you can clamp down on the engine side and get a good tight snug connection to the engine. And then the real neat feature about this kit is that it comes with these 3 different options for your engine connection. All of these are quick connect fittings, and they're marked and color coded for each engine that they fit. So this one that has an M on it and is colored white, this is your Mercury outboard connector. And the one here that has a blue label with the Y, that's for Yamaha engines. And then finally, this one with the red label has a JE, and that stands for Johnson and Evinrude outboards. So no matter which of those 3 engines that you might have on your boat, you can buy this kit and it's going to work for all of them. Any of the fittings that you don't use, you can simply throw away. And in case you have questions, this instruction sheet is included as well. It's a pretty simple installation, but if you have questions, this is a good place to start. And that's everything that's included in the kit. So as you can see, this kit has everything that you're going to need if you have a Mercury or a Yamaha or a Johnson Evinrude outboard motor. It's got the correct fittings for you, as well as the fuel line, the primer bulb, and of course the tank. If you have another application that you need a tank for, or if you have any questions about installation, just feel free to give our ABYC certified experts a call at 866-388-0390, and you can find us online at marinepartssource.com. Now please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave those ideas in the comments below. Thanks.